Welcome back to Tech Boss TV. Today we're diving into a machine that doesn't just push boundaries, it completely rewrites them. This is the Lamborghini Revuelto, Lamborghini's first high-performance electrified V12 supercar, and trust me, this thing is an absolute game changer. Let's start with the exterior, because one look at this car and you instantly know it's something special. As the camera glides across the front end under soft natural lighting, those sharp Y-shaped LED headlights immediately grab your attention. They look futuristic, aggressive, and unmistakably Lamborghini. The front bumper features massive air intakes, sculpted for both style and serious aerodynamic performance. Every line on this car feels intentional, carved to slice through the air at insane speeds. Move along the side profile and you'll notice the dramatic silhouette. The carbon fiber mono-fuselage chassis not only keeps weight down but also increases rigidity. The sharp creases, wide stance, and massive wheels give it that planted, ready-to-launch look. As we capture close-up shots of the glossy paint reflecting the sunlight, you can see how premium every detail feels. Around the back, the Revuelto takes things to another level. The exposed hexagonal exhaust outlets, aggressive diffuser, and floating taillights create a rear end that looks like it belongs on a spaceship. It's bold, mechanical, and unapologetically loud even when standing still. Now let's talk about what makes this car historic. Under that sculpted engine cover sits a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine paired with 3 electric motors. Combined, they produce an astonishing 1,001 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. Over 1,000 horsepower in a Lamborghini road car. As the on-road performance footage rolls with upbeat background music, you see the Revuelto launch from 0 to 100 km per hour in just around 2.5 seconds. The acceleration is brutal yet smooth, thanks to the new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that replaces the older single-clutch gearbox. Gear shifts are lightning fast, and the power delivery feels immediate and relentless. What makes this even more impressive is the hybrid system. This isn't about replacing the V12, it's about enhancing it. The electric motors provide instant torque, filling any gaps and making the car feel sharper and more responsive. There's even a fully electric mode for short, quiet drives. But let's be honest, you'll want to hear that V12 roar every chance you get. The top speed pushes beyond 350 km per hour, putting it firmly in hypercar territory. Step inside, and the Revuelto feels like a fighter jet for the road. The cockpit wraps around the driver, creating a focused and immersive experience. There's a fully digital driver display, a central infotainment screen, and even a dedicated passenger display, allowing your co-pilot to monitor performance data. As the camera captures close-up shots of the Alcantara, carbon fiber trims, and precise stitching, it's clear Lamborghini has elevated the interior quality. It's still aggressive and sporty, but now there's more comfort and advanced tech than ever before. The steering wheel is loaded with controls, allowing you to switch between driving modes effortlessly. From electric city cruising to full attack Corsa mode, the Revuelto adapts to your mood instantly. Every drive feels customizable, personal, and intensely thrilling. Now let's talk pricing. The Lamborghini Revuelto starts at around $600,000, and that's before customization. With Lamborghini's endless personalization options, that number can climb significantly. But for buyers in this segment, exclusivity and innovation are part of the appeal. The Revuelto isn't just the successor to the Aventador, it's a bold statement about Lamborghini's future. It proves that electrification and raw emotion can exist together in one breathtaking package, and it sets a new benchmark for what a modern supercar should be.